So awesome trade here out of the gate on crude. Already first and second target filled, but third one is now a runner, and as you can see, it's going higher. Basically then trailing behind the swings. We push through the 30 area, which is good, and see if we can get through the 59, this little area right here. Here's another possibly trail. We have to give it some air, so if it comes back some more, it's okay to wait. But if it starts pushing again up into the 60s. Also in market open at 8, you can see that you had a couple of very nice entries going short. Sometimes when you move strong, it might be a pullback from around the 50 where we are right now. So we'll see if the price will start to resume to the upside from the 50 area. And when it does, we can then trail our stop at 29.10 at the 100, which is a nice area. Okay, putting our stop in at 29.10 now. At the moment we are, let's see, 43 ticks to the upside. Yeah, some trades are definitely worth waiting for. Other trails are not fun to be in if it's to the downside some few ticks and you're not sure. But a trade like this is always fine to just sit and wait for. Coming back just now below or beyond the 50, down to the 100 again. We're holding around where we are right now at 10. Okay, we're out there with 43 ticks on the third contract, so a very nice trade. All in all, 10, 33, 43, so $860 on that trade. That was a very, very nice trade, guys.